I'm Don D. I'm Ryan's older brother. I just want to say congratulations and best wishes to the newlyweds. Looking at Ryan's maturity process gives me much fondness. Seeing him jump from one success to another gives myself and the whole family so much joy. It will take really somebody special to make this guy commit and settle down. In fact, this somebody had superpowers. It was Cristala who finally got him hitched. To Juday, welcome to the Agoncillo family. We welcome you with open arms. I'm very happy. I'm gaining a new sister. Time and again, you hear people talk about Judy Ann as being a very wonderful person. No, but what can I say? My kids love her. The family loves her, and it just amazes me. And it's just really admirable to see somebody, has kept her simplicity despite her superstar status. You guys, you are a lovely couple. I wish you well, and as your best man, isa lang wish ko, you give plenty of brothers and sisters to Johan. Okay?
I already did this toast nung magkakasama tayo sa Little Tokyo, so for the benefit of everybody, this toast actually was symbolic for me kasi it ruled yung marriage ko with my wife. So I'm passing it on to you. May every situation create the opportunity to understand and love one another even more. Cheers.
Sabi niya, ma, dadaan si Ryan kasi nandyan lang daw siya sa bumibili ng something. Okay, sabi ko. Nagluto. Dumating ang Ryan. Tapos, mupo siya sa tabi ko. Sabi ko, Ryan, habang nagluluto yung dalaga ko, sabi ko, Ryan, can I ask you something? Sabi ko, are you and Juday going, kayo na, steady na or whatever? Sabi niya.
Whatever.
Sabi niya, Juday, sabi niya, can you come over, help me? Sabi niya. Tapos, edi, evasive, kung ano mga pinagsasabi. But, yung kamay nilang dalawa magka-holding hands. So, that explains everything, di ba? Hindi na ako nagsalita. But, getting married, hindi yan yung final na parang later on, parang we'll just take everything in stride, parang okay lang. No, you really have to work harder for it. You have to nurture it. You have to take care of it. And kailangan i-strengthen nyo pa yung relasyon nyo. But put God above all your, kung ano man yung mga concerns nyo, buhay nyo, palagi kayo. And never sleep nang hindi kayo nagdi-discuss kung ano man yung mga argumento nyo sa buhay. And Ryan, Juday, have a happy married life. I love you both.
Ito yung importante sa gabing ito.
Ay, naku!
Witness kayo dito.
Ay, naku.
So, pwede na po ba, Mami?
Yes, by all means.
Yeah!
Yes!
Next, more music and more laughter.
At idagdag mo dyan, Chrissy, more tears of joy. Ang dahilan kung bakit sa aming pagbabalik.